Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet by Magrand. Today we will learn how to make a triple crochet. So before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. So doing the triple crochet, we will use this acrylic yarn. For beginners who are starting fast crocheting, these acrylic yarns will help them very much for crocheting, because this glides through the hook. This kind of yarns glides through the hook very easily. So we are using here this kind of acrylic yarn, and we will use the 3mm hook and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. So doing our triple crochet, we will wrap the yarn around our hand like this. Everyone asks me how to grab the yarn in our hand. We will get the yarn like this. We will place it in our little finger like this. Then we will wrap it around our two fingers, middle fingers. Then wrap it around this finger like this. And the yarn tension will be stable, and when you will do this work, it will glide through your hook very easily. So now get started. We will do first a slip knot in our hook like this. Now we will start making chain stitches. Here we will make 30 chain stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. So here we have make our 30 chain stitches. Now we will start our triple crochet stitches. So here we will make 4 extra chain stitches, 3 and 4, 2 3 4. These 4 chain stitches we will count as our first triple crochet. Now we will wrap the yarn around our hook like this 2 times and put the hook through the 4th chain. 1 2 3 4. Skip this first 4 chain and put the hook through the 5th number chain like this. Now grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the loop like this. Now we have 4 loops in our hook. Now grab the yarn behind here and pull it through first 2 loops. Again grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the second 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops, and grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the last 2 loops, and we have finished our first triple crochet exactly like this. Once again wrap the yarn around hook like this 2 times, then put the hook through the next chain, grab the yarn behind here, pull it through the loop like this. Now we have 4 chains. Now we will grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the first 2 loops. Again grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the second 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops in our hook. Now grab the yarn behind here and pull it through the last 2 loops, and we have make our third triple crochet. We will do all along these chain stitches till the end in a same process like this. So I am doing the same process till the end. When I will finished, I will come back. So here we have finished our row of triple crochet. Now we will do the second row. So starting our second row, we will have to do 4 chain again. 2 3 4. Here we have 4 chain, and turn your work like this. And now we will start doing our triple crochet. For doing this, we will wrap the yarn around the hook like this, and we will put the hook through this stitch like this. We will count our 4 chain as our first triple crochet, and we will do our second triple crochet on the second stitch of the previous row like this, here at the top of the second stitch, this stitch, and we will put the hook through this, and we will do our second triple crochet like this, and third triple crochet on the third stitch from the previous row like this. Exactly the same way. So here we have finished our second row of triple crochet, and it looks like this. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and happy crocheting. Bye.